Guys, it snowed last night. Guys. Oh, it's cold. Oh my gosh. Oh. Here's the ditch, guys. Do I dare? I do.
3, 2, 1. See ya.
Bro, I activated Siri right when I'm pissed. I'm pissed, guys. I'm not pissed. I'm actually full of whimsy and joy right now. I couldn't be farther from pissed, actually. Guys, did I not even record any of that? I'm actually not kidding. What the heck is happening? They don't want you to see me having fun. The media is silencing me. There we go. Okay, guys, my head really hurts. Like, dang, this is so ominous. You can't even see, like, it's literally so. Look at this. Bro's gonna catch a cold. Oh my gosh. Bro's gonna catch pneumonia. Tuberculosis even. Don't be playing like this. I'm gonna lose my fingers. Holy cow, I'm cold. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this and why is it so much fun? Wow, guys.
A few moments later.
Okay, party people. It's day 2 of being snowed in. Day 2 of there being snow. I want to make a little slushie. I did this yesterday and it was so good. So let's get our coat. I'm just gonna wear this one. Okay. It's so bright. Oh my days. Guys, look at this. This is where I was frolicking about yesterday. Goodness, so gorgeous. It's so gorgina. Look at the cows. They're pissed. Just kidding. Anyway. Okay, we gotta go somewhere that's fresh. Guys, I don't care if this is like unclean or whatever. Boy, we've had worse things. We've eaten worse things, let's be for real. We've consumed worse things. Like, come on. So now that we have our fun snow treat, some candy, something to munch on, this is the part where you find something to watch, something to binge, to stay warm in the cold and stay entertained. Guys, the campus is closed tomorrow again, so I don't have to go back today. Hey, me and my mom are gonna play cards. This is so snow day. What is it called?
On their turn, one player asks another player.
Snow ice cream, guys. Literally reaching velocity. Reaching snow state.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Your baby. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look how fluffy and light. It's the perfect texture for running. It's pretty good, actually. That's a pretty good snow angel. We did that, guys. We did that. Whew, my fingers hurt, bro. We gotta go. finish this book. Oh my gosh, I'm pissed. I literally guessed. Oh my gosh, this ending. Okay, I'm not pissed. I'm just very upset. I knew after this happened, I was like, oh, now the book's gonna end, huh? And it did. And guess what? And guess what? I already have the next one downloaded. I made this sleeve last week, but I just finally added the loop to put in. Guys, it looks so good. Also, this slid down again. Alright. There we go. Isn't she cute? Okay guys, I'm gonna leave today, so I need to clear paths to the car so I can load everything up and get out. So let's do that. I got sidetracked, guys. What can I say? It's too gorgeous. Okay, guys. It's so beautiful, guys. I don't want to have to leave. Probably the last snow angel of the snow. So basically I'll be out this winter. Oh, this is bittersweet, guys. Okay okay, guys, I'm gonna leave now. We got everything packed. There's still snow on my back windshield. Don't worry about it. It'll slide off. But yeah, I'm about to leave now. Holy exposure. Yeah, if it's too slick, I'll come back, but hopefully the roads aren't too bad. Oh my gosh, why is this awful? It's literally just showing my acne, guys. Enough! I've been breaking out even worse. Right. Hopefully the roads are good by now, but anyway, we're gonna go. Brave. Oh, that scared me. We're gonna go brave the snow. Thanks, my mom. Yeah, she's cleaning it off for me. Let you know how it goes. Okay, guys, she cleaned my windshield for me. And my front wheel too. Love you. Okay, guys, I made it out of the driveway. So I think me packing down the snow, I think it worked. I think it helped for sure. I have to turn around. It won't be the end of the world. I'm just like, no, please don't make me turn around. Hey guys, so never mind. Our college just sent out a text literally like 10 minutes after I left that campus is closed again tomorrow due to slick and hazardous roads. So it actually was perfect because I was actually gonna leave earlier. So it's actually perfect that I didn't leave earlier because I'd be probably like halfway there or almost there by now. So this is literally perfect. So I literally already turned around and I'm about like 7 minutes away from my house, so it's amazing and it's perfect and I'm so glad I don't have to drive. I really was not wanting to go back today.
Such a good robot. Robotic body.
I'm actually gonna
cartwheel, Emily. I want to do a cartwheel
again
with my stuff.
For two, just like last time.
I know. I was just like, fucking play in the snow.
No, it's just like old times.
Guard this with your life. Okay. Oh, my stomach's gonna be out, bro.
It's okay. Haley, we don't mind.
I don't know if I can my hands are gonna be buried in the snow.
It's okay.
I don't have to use the fire department.
Just try it. Just try it. I can do it if we have to.
Okay. I can do it if we have to. You ready?
Yes! Yes! Robotic body. The echo's taking me out. Okay.
Wait, no. What'd he say? Who's that guy from Forrest Gump?
Lieutenant Dan, ice cream. Lieutenant Dan. Lieutenant Dan, ice cream. Pan over there. Oh, that ate. Oh, that ate. Perfect bleed out spot. Oh. 10 bleed out spots. To the untrained eye. Okay, so to the untrained eye. Wait, cut to me. So to the untrained. Okay. So you're recording? Yes. So to the untrained eye, it would appear that I was just chasing another woman and like threatening her. Threatening like to her, but like. Yeah, guys, it was all in good fun. Like both parties were involved. Both parties were having fun. Yeah.
Is her mental health taken into consideration?
Both parties were having fun. No further questions at this time. It was all lighthearted, like. So. Yeah, and here.
Help! You said you would just. You said you would destroy the Sith, not join them. Aw. Will you marry me?
Yeah, I've been waiting for you to ask. Oh, okay. So, you just wanted to marry me for your keys back. Okay. I see how it is. Okay.